Hi everyone, and welcome to this new tips and tricks video on how to recover files in a very easy way. Before we go through this video, I'm here today also with Mark Johnson. Hi.
Hello Manuel.
How you doing?
All right, thanks yourself.
Very well, thank you. You showed us in the last video how to isolate a machine and how to quarantine a file. In that case, how can SES Evolution be able to retrieve, an encrypted file?
Well, in fact, what the SES does is it uses the shadow copies functionality of Windows. And SES includes protection for shadow copies, ransomware these days.
Yeah.
The first thing they try and do is delete shadow copies. So SES blocks that. It also ensures that there's an up-to-date shadow copy available. The agent ensures that a shadow copy is taken every 24 hours, in fact.
And okay, so that's very clear with all the information from the shadow copies. What remediation action we can apply or take into account to make possible that we can do this remedial action and of course go back to a normal situation as soon as possible?
Oh yes. So what we can do is from the console we can restore any files that have been encrypted. We can see here on the demo. It's quite easy to do. We select, in this case, a ransomware attack that has been blocked. And from the console we see we select the remediation tab, and SES proposes the action that we can take here to recover the files.
Yes.
We can see the details, we can see the files that have been encrypted and that it proposes to recover.
Okay, to retrieve them. Perfect.
And then all we need to do is launch the task.
So we selection, we check for this remediation action, and after we applied it, okay.
Yes, quite simple. So we start the remediation there. And then we can have a look on the client machine.
Yeah, so I mean, this is it's quite simple. It's 3 clicks. And what happens on the agent side in that case?
So here, some of our files, our Microsoft Word files, have been encrypted in this directory. We can see them here. What the agent's going to do when it receives the task, it's going to recover these encrypted files from Microsoft shadow copies, but it'll also rename the files that have been encrypted with the extension SES back, and those files then be available to us for any future forensics investigation, for example.
Okay, that's really clear. So thank you, Mark, for your time on this demonstration on how to recover these encrypted files in order, to get back also to a normal situation. So thank you to you. Thank you also for watching. And in the next video, we will see with you, Mark, how to scan to get some indicators of compromise or IOCs. Thank you, and thank you all for watching. Bye.